to another video. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. It is Friday, April 2nd. The market is closed today. Long weekend, you guys, with the market being closed today, so we can prepare ourselves over the next couple days for what is to come next week. Again, definitely think it's going to be a green market next week, and I'm hoping for the best. But today I want to talk about Healthier Choices Management Corp, ticker symbol HCMC, because there has been an update in the courts, and I wanted to update you guys on that and give you guys my overall updated opinion on the stock. Again, this video will be short, just going to give you guys my opinion on what is happening here. Because you guys have been asking me to continue to make these HCMC videos, I'm going to do so. So HCMC, you guys, currently sitting at 0.0011 at the time of this video. Did trade pretty massively yesterday. 3.3 billion trades of HCMC, just been trading like crazy as of late, and definitely one of the more, I guess, popular OTC stocks this year, 2021. But let's talk about it first. If you don't know about HCMC, you guys, just quick background on HCMC. They own Healthy Choice Markets, Healthy Choice Markets 2. They also own Addis Natural Market in Florida, which is what really creates revenue for them. And then they have 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in Florida as well. They are a company that specializes in providing consumers with healthier alternatives into everyday lifestyle choices. And they have patents that are issued in both the United States and Canada. And these patents have a focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine and compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and hopes to expand this suite in the future. So as many of you know, if you're watching this video, without question, you are familiar with HCMC and are probably a potential investor or are currently an investor, and you probably are well aware of the patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, which is why many people were intrigued by this stock to begin with. So for those of you who are not familiar, which I'm sure there's not many of you, HCMC's patent infringement lawsuit claims that Philip Morris is infringing on HCMC's patent rights in connection with the IQOS device, which is an alternative tobacco product marketed and sold by Philip Morris, and Philip Morris claims that it is currently approaching 14 million users of the IQOS, and that they have reportedly invested $3 billion into their smokeless tobacco products. Philip Morris has been very open about their ongoing transition from combustible cigarettes into their modified risk tobacco products, including the IQOS. So a lot of things have been happening here with HCMC in the lawsuit against Philip Morris. Obviously it's gone to court, and they filed a motion to dismiss. Initially, Philip Morris filed a motion to dismiss, and the judge extended the deadline. And then today, or actually yesterday, sorry, there was an update. So there was a joint motion to stay pending resolution of defendant's motion to dismiss by Healthier Choices Management Corp. And then the order was in fact granted. You guys, it was granted, as you can see here. This cause is before the court on the parties' joint motion to stay all deadlines for 30 days pending resolution of defendant's motions to dismiss. The court concludes that that the requested stay would promote efficiency and minimize disputes. The court therefore grants the motion to stay, and it was signed by the judge. So to me, you guys, in my opinion, this means that it's just going to take longer for any sort of resolution to come out of this. As you can see here, joint motion to stay all deadlines for 30 days pending resolution. So basically, everything's going to get put on hold for about 30 days, okay? And I think both sides agree to this. Obviously, it's a joint motion, so it allows for both sides to kind of communicate on some degree to figure out discovery and other options of how they're going to really move forward with the case. I don't really think this means positive or negative for HCMC in either light. Again, I remain true to this, that HCMC, a long-term hold here, you guys. Not a stock pump and dump. I know people in the comments of previous videos talk about HCMC is a pump and dump stock. I really, guys, I get both sides of, I guess, that debate. But I don't think HCMC is pump and dump stock. Long-term hold here, and I do believe that a settlement is most likely outcome from this HCMC versus Philip Morris trial, or this infringement lawsuit. I definitely think settlement is what is going to be the solution here. I think if it does go to a trial, I think Philip Morris is pretty aware now, based on the work that HCMC's attorneys, Cozen O'Connor, have done. I think based on that, Philip Morris is probably pretty well aware that if it does go to a trial, HCMC definitely has the resources to, definitely dominate them in if it does go to that setting. So I'm expecting a Philip Morris settlement with HCMC. Again, the dollar amount and the logistics of what will happen to HCMC after a settlement, in my opinion, is still up in the air. I've seen people on Reddit specifically talk about an 800 million to $1 billion settlement, and I don't believe it's going to be that high. I'm thinking somewhere between the 5 to 700 million range is somewhat reasonable. Again, Philip Morris is probably one of the biggest tobacco companies in the world, so their resources are pretty stout. But that brings me back to my other just question in regards to Philip Morris here, and I mentioned it in the other video, you guys, is that how does a company like Philip Morris, you know, not do their due diligence on a patent for a device that they're expecting to have 14 million users on, right? So it just doesn't make sense to me. So I kind of think that Philip Morris is kind of, again, just my opinion, kind of caught red-handed in this situation. But just wanted to update you guys on this motion to stay. Judge signed it, so 30 days. You guys will continue to wait here. The stock was down yesterday to 0.0011. Again, just another time to load up. Easy load up here on HCMC. Again, OTC stock. Can't formally buy this on Robinhood or Webull. You need to get Fidelity, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, a platform like that. And again, please do your own research before investing your money here, you guys. This stock's pretty crazy. A lot of people talk about the stock and leave comments about this stock. So make sure you guys, and there is just a lot of information to digest in regards to this stock. But again, please, you got to be patient with HCMC. There's going to be probably no movement on this stock as far as the price goes for a little while, quite some time. So again, keep that in mind. Do your own research. I just wanted to relay this info, you guys. Joints to stay in motion. The judge did sign it yesterday, so that is what's going to be happening. But again, I want to remind you guys, Cozen O'Connor, the law firm representing HCMC, they are very strong. They are very well known, and they don't play around. So I think with Cozen O'Connor on HCMC's side with this, I really see a win for HCMC. Whether that be if it does go to trial, could take over a year. But I do see HCMC winning there, but most likely a settlement, which would generate obviously a huge value to HCMC as well. So let me know in the comments below, you guys, HCMC, if you guys got in, what price you guys got in at. Let me know long weekend, what moves you guys are making in the market. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.